The Philippine flag flies in half-mast at the Calbayog City Hall in Samar. Residents are mourning and crying for justice because the city lost its father, Mayor Ronald Aquino. Aquino was killed with his 3 security aides in Barangay Lonoy last March 8. The mayor was riding this white van on the way to his son's birthday celebration when the gunfight happened. Samar Representative Edgar Sarmiento said witnesses claimed the suspects wore bonnets and were armed with grenade launchers. Aquino was on his 3rd and last term as mayor of Calbayog City. He had been Calbayog's local chief executive since 2011.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.